Morning everybody, this is Juan on another video. This is more like an update of what's going on with my project, my Rb25det for my 280ZX. I just woke up super early this morning and went to go pick up my crankshaft. I had modified, I thought I was going to have the Nito crank collar actually installed, but even better news, the guy actually modified it to actually have one welded on. He showed me that it was something that's going to work out for long term, not something that might come loose during a high performance pull. So if anything, I am safe in the long run. His name is Joseph from Modex. I'll leave the descriptions below as for the location I went to. I can't really say enough about this place. This place is pretty cool. He walked me around. He showed me the place. He showed me what he can work on. He's working from imports to American vehicles to boat motors, even to old school. So definitely if you guys need something modified for crankshafts or even fixed, definitely I would recommend checking this guy out. He did a great job on my crank collar. I'll show you the images right after this video. And if you like my videos, definitely like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna start modifying them a little bit more, but other than that, I'll just stay on top of my engine build. And now that I got my crank collar, can't wait to put my engine together. Definitely is gonna be mad exciting. I'll keep you guys in touch and update it. Well, thank you guys for watching my videos and have a good time out there.